Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back. Today we are in Kingstown, St Vincent, and we've been to St Vincent and the Grenadines before, which is Beckway. I will enter the link down below. However, we've never been to Kingstown before, so this is the first time. So we're not actually going to be seeing St Vincent, but we're going to be seeing the area that I see, and hopefully even some dolphins. We're on the Dolphin tour today, and as you guys will definitely know by now if you've seen my vlogs before, Dean is joining.
Yes, I'm excited for today to see the dolphins, hopefully, yeah?
Fingers crossed. Cheers.
Charles.
When the Caribs came in about 1000 AD, these guys were more hunter-gatherers and they were more warlike. So when Christopher Columbus sighted the island, it was in the hands of the Caribs. So he sighted the island on the 22nd of January, which is the feast day of the St Vincent. So hence the name St Vincent. And the Grenadines, it was named after Grenada, but to differentiate, they used the diminutive. So Grenadines, Grenada.
Ooh.
The Arawaks call this place Yolamain, which means land of the rainbow, and they thought the god Yolaka lived here, the god of the rainbow. The Caribs call this place Hyruna, which means land of the blessed.
4 AD they came here. How do you know it was 4 AD?
408.
4 AD.
Oh.
4 AD, that's what I said.
That's early.
Where the fishermen and the people were here.
These dolphins are here all year round. The only difference is that these dolphins are wild animals. They're not like the San Diego Zoo, where you can pay your peanuts in through the cage. Yeah.
Good.
But these animals are wild, so we don't encourage swimming with them.
Yeah.
But you can come here, have a look, see how they behave in their natural habitat, and enjoy the splendor that they provide.
So have we got swimming on here? Are we doing swimming? Dean didn't bring a swim shorts.
I'll just wear these.
This is not Brighton, so no.
No, I'll just wear these. Yeah, I'll just wear these. It's okay.
We do have a beach here called Brighton, and I normally
What, here as well? Brighton Beach?
we have Brighton. Remember, we were governed by the English
Yeah, I
for like
guess, like you said,
198 years. So
Oh, so they called it.
lots of
Ah.
places, yes, lots of places here.
Brighton
named
Beach.
after- yeah.
Oh, is that where we was where did we go the other day? And there's a place called
Liv-
Piccadilly Circus.
Yes, St Kitts.
St. Kitts.
Yeah.
Oh right, okay.
Well, it wasn't the same. But it's a little roundabout.
And Liverpool Street in
in Barbados.
Barbados.
Yes, I mean, as I said, those islands were controlled by the English.
Slightly rocky, but
Is
all
that
good.
anything there at all, Jerry? You see the thing? That thing blocking up and down this distance.
Oops. God. I feel like someone's going to stack it.
Yeah.
Well, it could just be a rowing boat. It's very rocky. So we've got a little beach stop here with black sand. Apparently it's very good for your skin, minerals. So just about to get off and we'll put some on our skin. Not palm trees, coconut trees apparently. It's clear. You can see the bottom even though it's black sand. Very clear. That's so cool. Apparently they're all black sand apart from 2 beaches which are called Indian and Brighton. I don't know, Indian and something, but this is a very cool black sand. I love the sand on my feet, it feels really nice. It's like sparkling. Ooh. It's cool. Very cool. Right, I think I'll make camp under this tree. So, dolphins haven't been spotted just yet, but I'm still hopeful. So, fingers crossed. I'm going to go into the sea now, put some black sand on us, and go for a swim. So, I'm in the sea, and the sand is so incredibly soft. So it seems black sand is softer than white sand. This is so nice. It's like we're in a spa or something. Beautiful. Just got some seaweed next to it.
Seaweed has crabs in this, be careful.
Yeah.
Well, not
So you
this
spotted
seaweed,
a
not
few
this seaweed.
crabs.
Just that seaweed, I was in the heart of all of it.
Yeah, in the heart of the seaweed there are crabs nesting. What did you just say, Dean?
This is the favourite beach I think we've been to.
Wow.
It's so soft, so nice.
Yeah, it is lovely.
It's so warm, like a blood bath.
Yeah, it's cool. good for you. So I put it on my body, the sand, lots of minerals. Beautiful. Now I think I'll go and wash it up. That was so cool. I love that. Bit of mineral sand on our bodies, and then it's really cool. It doesn't feel that salty. I don't know whether it is or not because I didn't taste it, but it was very refreshing.
It's almost sulphur-like, isn't it?
Yeah, it's like crisp and refreshing but warm. There's a really cool cave over here. Let me show you the cave. Look at that. There's a lot of seaweed, but I actually think it's really nice. Apart from the crabs being in the seaweed. Beautiful. We've got the chilled music vibes. We've got the rum punch, and we're just watching the boat drift along. Beautiful. Cheers.
See it?
That's where the
Villa.
hotel belt is.
Villa
so
and
it's-
Indian Bay,
Yeah,
the
because,
two white sand places.
The old airport.
Right, that's the end of the tour, guys. Lovely. We didn't unfortunately see any whales or dolphins, but that's always just a bonus, isn't it? You can't expect to. They're just enjoying their nice little deep swims. This boat was lovely. There was the bar, really big, beautiful. But what a lovely day. You can't really complain when you're in the Caribbean on the catamaran drinking rum and swimming. Love it. Right guys, back in my cabin, in the bathroom of my cabino. That was the, oh my god, look at this. This is because we've been in sea, wind and everything in between. Beautiful. Well, that was a lovely day. We didn't see dolphins and whales, but it was fab. We had the sun, we had the catamaran, had some rum punch, went swimming, put some black sand on us. Fab day. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope that you enjoyed it. Almost coming to the end of my Caribbean stint now, but more adventures to come. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Ciao for now.